Well, here we go, guys. I've got all the tile laid down. I have everything cut with the exception of the toilet flange. I've got to go out and get another diamond bit. Blade. I ended up getting the wrong one. The arbor was wrong, but not bad. It really wasn't that hard. I think I might have screwed that up though. Oh, that was was a little bit weird. Probably should have cut. But it is the closet, so nobody's really gonna, you know, if you're gonna yell and scream about that, you're a little bit too picky. But this goes in a little bit further than that side. So I just took a full piece. That's a full piece because I heard you want to lay your tile down to where you don't have to make as many cuts and you want to use as many full pieces as possible. So that's what I did. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It just kind of looks off. You know, I guess it should be. I guess the line should be like right there, right in the middle. But I don't know. Like I said, that's the closet, so. Not too shabby. It's coming along. Alright, guys. Appreciate all the advice I was given. It helped a lot, and so the next thing I got to do is do the mortar, then start setting the tiles down. I think I may tag them because they all have to come up, so maybe I'll leave the 4 there and just take that one, move it. I don't know. Where we kind of get all the tiles in the same spot. But I don't know. I haven't figured out how I'm going to do that yet. I'll probably put a sticky on it and just label them and just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. Or I could always put that one over, that one on top, that one on top, and that one on top, and then just take from this end and just keep going. That'll work too, and I won't even have to number them. Alright. Well, I hope everybody takes it easy. I hope everybody has a good weekend. As you can see, my weekend is booked. And then after this one, we got one more bathroom to do. That'll be even fun. More fun. Got to do the shower and the surround. So, I mean, like I said, this tub doesn't look too bad. So we're not even going to change that. Maybe change the head. But that tile looks pretty good, and that is going to be the new color in here. So if I can get a wide enough shot, yeah, it should look alright. But we'll see how it goes after I put the mortar on and lay those tiles down. But those rigid spacers and things like that should work out really freaking great, and I shouldn't have to worry about leveling it or anything like that, because once all these are on there, As soon as I'm done with that, then I'll put this the tops on those, and then do the next row, and then do the tops on those, and then do the next row and do the tops on those. So, and then screw them down, and then the whole floor should dry flat, and then 24 hours later to come by and you're just supposed to kick them off. So, okay. Not bad for the first shot. Alright guys, take it easy. Peace.